perspective from the clouds. We often wish for blue skies instead of storm clouds, but cloudy skies may reveal God's faithfulness. We gain perspective on how God has been faithful in our trials as we look back on the clouds. I have heard of you, but now my eye sees you. God gave us wings to rise above the clouds of trial that block the sun, to soar above gray skies and see the love and goodness of your Son.